Now that we have learned the days of the week in French, are you ready to learn the months of the year in French? It's going to be very easy. Les mois de l'année, the months of the year. So let us learn the months of the year. The first month, January, is written as Janvier. Repeat with me, Janvier. February is written as Février. Once more, Février. March is pronounced as Mars. Once more, Mars. April is pronounced as Avril. Avril. So let us say these 4 months once again. January is Janvier. February is Février. March is Mars. April is Avril. Once more, let us say these 4 months. Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril. Now let us go on to the next 4 months. May is pronounced as May. June is pronounced as Juin. I repeat once again, it's Juin. July is pronounced as Juillet. Juillet. August is pronounced as Août. So once again, let us say for May it is May. June is pronounced as Juin. Juin. July is pronounced as Juillet. August is pronounced as Août. Notice this symbol here, it is called a chapeau. We will learn more about this in the following classes. Now, can we say these months once again? May, Juin, Juillet, Août. Now, moving on to the next 4 months. For the next 4 months, there is a small difference. That is, September in English it is spelled with ER. However, in French it ends with RE. However, the pronunciation varies. It is pronounced as Septembre. October is pronounced as Octobre. November is pronounced as Novembre. And December is pronounced as décembre. Once again, September is septembre. October is octobre. November is novembre. And December is décembre. So, from the beginning, let us write the names of the months only in French. So, you can say it with me. What did we say for January? Yes, janvier. See the pronunciation, it is janvier. Février. Mars. Avril. May. Juin. Juillet. For August it is août. Septembre. Octobre. November. And finally December. December. So let us say it once again. Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, May, Juin, Juillet, août, septembre, octobre, November and December. So I hope you know the months of the year. So what month is this? Can anyone say? Yes, it is September. When you keep saying it again and again, it will get etched in your memory.